Guys, Ultra, oh my god. Ultra Epic Infinity YT here, and I keep on getting oofed by these balloons. Ouch. Because in the last video I nuked myself. And once you jump down, once you jump on that, I no clip. So I'm screwed. Oh, get out, no! Okay, I'll stop. I nuked myself. I think deleting it will stop it. Delete. This is gonna take a long time. This time I'm gonna show you and see. There, okay. Now in this video, I'll show you how to make the milk. Which is so we don't need this, this, and this. I'm gonna keep doing them. Oh, I think that's a lot. I did it like 500 times. Although I do need to switch teams for this. No, it's hard. I'm making the UFO and doing it. There, easy. Now you need the yellow team. Normally in the old versions, the white team is right beside the intro, but not anymore.
You should get like one thing.
First, add. First, add any kind of rod. Second, add this kind of seat. Make it face all the way to the side. Like this. Good. Now you need this balloon. Place it like this, like so. You also need kind of tools. Oh, this one. You have to call this. Second, this one. This one has to be exact, actually. And this one, and move it over here. Move it over here. Oh my god.
Here?
I think I bought too much. Okay. Let's test it. That's big enough. Normally in my save it's quite flat, but I added too much, so here we are now. Now after this, I'll teach you how to dupe it. You can understand which I said before, special delivery balloon nuke, because this one is you can only drop it off by using the firework glitch. So you work, over here like this. But we will also need the firework glitch and a wrench to do this. Unanchor this. and walk onto the nearest fountain in beside your yeah. But don't worry, since this one protects you and makes you walk in air, you won't fall in water easy. So someone's yeah, the white team is trying to make an actual total destruction on AFK farming. So we're going to and also, I forgot to mention that you're supposed to you're supposed to save it. That's the question. I forgot about that. So to make sure you're this one will be up. So this one after you save, you sit. You basically sit. This one's actually supposed to be a video. You'll still sit down over here. Add a lever and go here. Make everything active and delete the fireworks. Mix it perfectly. You can do this a few times or as many as you like, but the recommended is like 5 or 10 dupes. So the dupe. After the dupes, it's time for your nuke. Now do the same thing like you're trying to do. Firework over here.
Let's play.
Delete over here. Select all and unanchor it, which makes it look like you're the package person. That's why I made place to note as for, hi guys, I'm delivery person. I'm the delivery guy, except I'm the nuker guy. So enough of this can cause great lag. So if you're going to try out at your place, feel free. Unless you may get nuked in the process. You may need a better FPS if you're gonna try that. I'm going to go to the blue team on top. And also you can save your dupes, I forgot to mention as well. So I'm definitely going to edit in the first part. I'm definitely going to edit that. Watch the full video first before doing it, because it's all mixed up. And I know this guy is starting again, because I don't know why I see a milk. Okay, made it on the tracks. Oh no, I got out. Okay, then don't fall in the crack. Now, that. Oh no, it's supposed. Select all and collision, which makes you left. And you're dead. The lever's not working because the words once you have a lever you're supposed to delete it if you touch it. Or to make sure you just nuke your own place. I'll teach you. Use this, select all, and anchor. Boop. Select all, anchor, and collision. And I'm getting in trouble because of the nuke. At least it doesn't have collision. Help me! Oh my god, get me out, get me out. Get me out, I'm stuck in the nuke, Oh my god, I'm stuck. No. What? Why am I on the ground? No! I fell. So if you do this a few times, you get this. So, but if you keep repeating it, all of them will spread actually. So don't actually plan to click collision lots of times.
So that what?
You're supposed to click collision like one off and on only one time. And I'm done for. Oh my god! Help me! I'm stuck. I'm stuck on the ground. Help me! Come on, get me out! Get me out! Get me out! Gotta get me out! Oh my! I'm getting squished over. Well, welcome to Lag World. Welcome to Lag World. You say so. I need to get to the necessity. Oh! Nah, I'm just stuck. Here. Oh no. Oh. Well, I'm done for. Okay, guys. See ya. Ultra Epic Infinity with ya.